Welcome, Titan partners and prospective GHL partners. This is Phil Wilson, and today is our live Titan business briefing. Thursday is reserved for the technology briefing at this very same time. So let's get into our presentation. First of all, AI Business Friends is positioned on school.com, and you can find us there by going to school.com and searching for AI Business Friends. You'll find us and join us for free. Together, we'll make high-level results measurable, repeatable, and provable. And as you may remember, the TITAN acronym stands for Tactical Intelligence for Transformation, Optimization, and Navigation. I'm Phil Wilson, and today again is our business briefing. We get into a number of different terms and some jargon. And so, right now, I want to make sure you know that we have a glossary in our knowledge bank, and you can check on any of these terms that you want. I usually pick out a couple of terms just to throw out to the audience today. The first one is what we call a CSA. I have an audit background, and a CSA comes from that world. A CSA is a control self assessment. It's like a survey, but we measure it differently. And it's a structured set and check of controls, control gaps, and what to fix next. It's it's driven by risk in a business, and so that's one of the drivers of it. The other term that I want to throw out is the Z score, which is shown at the bottom right of the second column. The Z score is an analytics term that we use quite a bit here. It relates to our drift indicator, and it's a way to flag aspects of a business that is going astray or may not be generating the evidence and proof that the business needs, that the routine, such as an AI routine, is being beneficial to the business itself. So there's two terms for today. One of the key aspects of our business is the hypothesis that the AI automation market doesn't reward the most technical agencies. It rewards the agencies that can clearly show how a workflow improved. And that's what we keep coming back to time and time again. We're looking for business evidence of a specific improvement to the business. And that's what my team will be guiding you on and show you how to leverage the latest AI tools and how we can generate positive impact for the client's business. AI automation agencies are struggling in the market to differentiate themselves. There's a number of reasons for this, but the primary reasons are that AI tools are multiplying rapidly. Most agencies show dashboards instead of operational proof. And clients really want outcomes, not just to check on automation activities. And also, one of the key aspects that we help drive you forward on is workflow intelligence, which is becoming the driver for the new competitive landscape of AI. Where agencies lose time, margin, and clarity are the pain points that we deal with on a day to day basis. And you understand the tool sprawl and the complexity of automation and AI work. There's also the other pain point of fragmented standard operating procedures and unclear workflows. There's also the difficulty proving operational improvement. Also, weak differentiation in the crowded AI markets. So that brings us to the key driver that we want to help you on. It's very hard as an AI automation agency to convert automation work into a long-term software as a service, monthly recurring revenue opportunity. But that's what we're here to tell you about. And that's how our product Titan can help you dominate in the area of go high level analytics. Our end-to-end workflow process is very simple. It takes the client through a readiness assessment, moving on to a strategic value assessment, and we have a value calculator so you can determine the benefit and the shareholder value for a end client when they're using your AI automation service work. And then also, we have milestone checkpoints where we want to check on projects every 30, 60, 90 days, and also at the 12-month remeasurement stage. The Titan proof driven operations framework includes a AAA function map, which has over 1,100 different underpinning functions for SOPs. It also includes workflow and SOP models and a standard signal action proof closed loop process, which generates what we call proof tiles. And proof tiles lead to the sharing of industry intelligence within our community. This is where you go from collecting your data through the types of control self-assessment instruments and measurement instruments that we provide you. And then the results that you get back can be interpreted not only as your own individual agency, but also across agencies so that you can share your knowledge and others will be able to pick up on that and be able to also share what they've learned with their proof tiles. So the core is that we want to get to structured workflows and we want to measure operational signals. This is where things start off. We want to look for signals that point to an aspect of the business that is not going in the right direction. We want to also demonstrate improvement with proof tiles because what you want to leave behind with your clients are proof tiles that shows that you've done the work and the proof is in the business evidence that has been collected by your team and made visible to the end client. And then lastly, we can help those end clients turn their results into shared industry intelligence so they can understand how well they're actually doing in their industry. The Titan Partner Fleet Offer Stack is our terminology for what we call a founder circle. It has an entry point where you come into our organization and community and you take the Titan Vision workshop, or actually you learn about how to host a vision workshop. And we also provide an agency fit check so that we make sure that we're on the right track to generate value for you. So we need to know where you're at and where you're headed and your interests and objectives as for your own business. We also help with the implementation and we offer the AAA model, which is a use case sprint, and also a proof starter engagement that starts to help you ask the right questions and feel good about going into an organization and helping them determine where they believe their organization or workflows need to be fixed or enhanced. And regarding our community, We have the Titan Partner Fleet Collaborative, which runs on school.com, and we provide a knowledge management vault repository as well as an SOP library for shared learning. And also for those partners that are more advanced, we help them with what we call Titan 360 Live, which is where we can take your processes and help you put them into a wrapper that is measuring all the analytics that you need to be measuring for any SOP on an ongoing basis. The missing link, as we call it, is to help AI automation agencies move their clients from AI interest to proof driven operations. It's got a 6-step curriculum frame, which goes through these 6 steps and starts off with foundations, moving through offer design, and we can help you understand how to provide go high level offers that relate to specific service catalog that Go High Level provides us, which is huge and robust and offers so many opportunities for business improvement. But this is where it is it pays off to be cautious because we need to follow the Titan framework so that we understand where the best projects lie. And we show you how to organize those projects and how to determine which ones should go forward first and in a fashion, which projects might be weak and provide no business proof. And if they don't provide any business proof at the start stage, then we close those projects down or we put those on hold until we can find the right signal and measurements needed to determine if those projects go forward into the software development stage. And so Titan gives agencies a business to technical learning path that turns scattered AI activity into structured, proof driven operations. Now, let's look at a quick example of a proof story. This one is called Lead Pipeline Workflow Improvement. The before stage were that agencies showed email sends and campaign stats. After using Titan, they were able to model their workflows and look at the specifics of the process of lead, qualification, appointment, and sale. The signals that were measured in this specific instance were response time, appointment show rate, pipeline velocity, and the end result is the proof tile. And that was shown as having an increase of show rate of 24% and an increase in pipeline velocity of 18%. The Titan has a 90-day implementation path for most agencies, and it starts off with what we say again is the agency fit check, and then understanding about how to use certain specific skills within a Titan Vision workshop to be able to dominate the client's vision of their agency, helping them move forward. We get into specifics of terminology, modeling, type, technology modeling, and things that are easy for business people or technologists to do, but that can help really craft a use case for an AI automation project. And also, step 3, we help them model the workflow and then be oriented to the signals that they need to be looking at. Step 4, we help them launch a proof tile sprint. Step 5, we share insights with our partner fleet. And that's between all our go high level partners that are using Titan from around the world. And they're all searching for the same thing. We want proof driven operations. And that proof becomes sophisticated and robust analytics as we go forward. It has a data value compounding process, which is like putting money in the bank. The more you get, the more you can save, and so on and so forth. It's a cycle that just breeds value for your future clients as well as those that you've already helped. So we want you to join the Titan Partner Fleet. And if you're building a high level AI automation agency and want clearer workflows, measurable signals, visible proof of improvement, and much stronger differentiation, we want you to join our working collaborative. We're pushing the frontier of go high level workflow intelligence. You can look at our plans and our pricing online, and we want you to remember that proof builds authority, and authority builds durable SaaS revenue. We also want to alert you to our Titan Enterprise Mapping Taxonomy. We have a capability that allows you to do SOP lookup so that you can look at the specific functions within the enterprise that the SOP touches. And we categorize our process improvement data with that taxonomy that we've created. And we also want to be asking for your ongoing help to be a participant in our polls, but also to be able to leverage those polls with your end clients because they're put together for asking them what matters in their business and getting them to concentrate on the key elements of business success for their business in their industry. So our promise is to help our JHL partners move beyond dashboards and into measurable workflow improvement and creating visible operation proof that can be categorized in our registry of proof tiles. So we want to thank you. We're ready to serve your AI automation agency with a sustainable MRR SaaS solution which you can run with. And with that, let's take some questions from the audience. Here's our first question. Is Titan just another course? The answer is no. Titan is not just another course. Training is a part of it, but the point is not to consume content. The point is to gain structure, clarify use cases, improve operating discipline, and create visible proof. So this is closer to an operating system and a commercialization path than a traditional course. Next question. Does Titan replace high level? The answer is no. High level remains the live recurring service platform. Titan sits on top as a proof driven operating and navigation layer. High level helps agencies run. Titan helps agencies steer, prove, and expand. Next question. Who is Titan really for? Well, the best near term fit is the AI automation agency builder who is already in or around high level, feels overwhelmed by AI noise, wants some quick wins, and needs a faster path to first dollars and first proof. Titan is designed to reduce confusion and increase direction. Next question. What makes Titan different? Most solutions either teach tools, sell services, or show dashboards. Titan focuses on the connection between operations and evidence. It helps agencies map one priority operating motion, establish discipline around it, and produce proof that can support authority and expansion. That is the difference, and it's a big one. Now, here's another question. What is the first thing a beginner should do? The first thing a beginner should do once they get into our Titan partner community is to not chase every possible automation. The first move is to pick a use case, understand where they sit in the quadrant model, which we offer to help you eliminate fog projects, and also get enough structure to execute one meaningful operating motion well. Titan is designed to help you do exactly that. We want to get you moving towards the proof of operations before you generate a project proposal for the client. Next question. Why should clients care? Well, we've found that clients care because they do not really want more dashboards, more reports, or more jargon. They want confidence that something important has improved. And Titan helps with this because agencies can build stronger trust story, clear method, clear action, clear evidence, and a much stronger reason to stay on board with your agency. Okay, now the next section of our presentation is to think about how we want to get you motivated and moving fast towards what we call the Titan Vision Workshop. And we want our partners who are joining to be able to generate an AI use case and have mastery in doing that. So, our ending statement today is that if you want to move beyond fog and into mastery, one of the strongest next steps is to learn how to think in integrated definition language terms, or as we say, IDEF 0. IDEF stands for integrated definition. And why is this important? It's because IDEF 0 helps you define a use case clearly. It helps you see what the function is, what the inputs it needs, what controls govern it, what outputs it should produce, and what mechanisms make it work. That kind of clarity is incredibly powerful in AI use case design. So if you really want real AI use case mastery, this is one of the best discipline building moves you can make. And the great news is we can train you in 15 to 20 minutes. You can become comfortable in an hour, and after 3 hours, you can lead a partner team, or you can lead your client's team as well. So, in closing, the big idea is simple. Titan helps agencies move from fog to proof, from scattered activity to guided execution, from dashboards that display to a system that navigates. And once an agency can produce proof, everything gets stronger. Authority, trust, retention, expansion, and long term value. That is what we are building. And we look forward to seeing you in the Thursday technical briefing. I'm Phil Wilson. I'll see you on the inside of our community. Thanks for joining us. Bye now.